Okay, just another quick video because some of these cars are unusual. This is actually my daily driver. It's a pit crew MX5 Mark II. It is actually an RS. See it on the label. Yeah, so 6-speed, limited slip diff. Let's just open the bonnet. It's really just for MX5 fans because as part of my business is welding my mainly Mark 1 and Mark 2 MX5. So people haven't seen a pit crew one. It's basically a fiberglass add-on front. You can see the way it's been grafted on there. And these corners of the bumpers. Bumpers? What am I talking about? The corners of the bonnet are just added on. But apart from that, it's all standard. This one is completely rust free. It's all nice mint. Good nick as a go. My daily driver. It will be painted orange hopefully later in the year with an 01 to look like Dukes of Hazzard. Why? Because I can. So there you go. That is what a pit crew Mark II looks like. I actually think some of these sort of like the front, that bit there looks a bit chunky, looks a bit odd from some angles. I think the Mark 1 pit crew ones look better, but I think the back end of the pit crew Mark 1s look nice and the front end looks a bit odd. Personal taste, I suppose. Anyway, stay tuned. I'll have a hand tomorrow, so I'll be able to get a couple of the other American cars out and do those.